Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'll be discussing about some of the free extensions that are available in Magento 2. So I was searching in the net and I found out these 7 extensions that you can say are a must-have for your e-commerce website. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first one is from IWD agency, and what they have given is that the extension name is One Step Pay Checkout. So if I click, I already have opened the link, and this is the link, and from here I think this is the link, so you can download it from here. And so this is the screenshot they have provided. Okay, and I think if you scroll down, so these are the various details that they have provided, like what are the various features that are there in this particular extension, and these are the certain FAQs. And over here we have the guides as well. We have the installation guide and we have the user guide as well. If I click on the user guide, so these are certain topics that they have covered over here. How to configure PayPal task list before enabling the IWD checkout. What kind of information does the IWD checkout? Okay, and how does the IWD checkout works? So this is the complete the screenshot that they have provided. So you can go ahead and have a look for this extension, and if you believe that it can work for your website, then go ahead and download it. Okay, so I think this is the one. Now what I will do, I'll simply close it. Now I'll go to the second one, that is from Maze Plaza, and this is about lazy loading. Yes, so this is very much important, and as you can see, like what is lazy loading? Basically, when we open a website, what we see is that let's say in case of particular product listing page, where it will have a number of products along with its images. So what will happen if you open that page? Then what happens normally, until unless the whole page, like the data in the whole page gets like let's say it's retrieved, until unless it is getting retrieved, let's say for each and every product the images are getting retrieved, until unless that is happening, the page keeps on loading. Okay, so what is the beneficial of lazy loading is that let's say you are scrolling down, and the section to which you are scrolled, okay, till that section only it will try to load the images. So that means that whenever you're trying to open a page or open a URL or open a link, it will only try to load that particular section which is visible. That means the page loading times decreases. Okay, so as you can see, it improves the website performance and reduces the bounce rate due to slow loading. And over here also, this is, you can see this is the Maze Plaza extension, and these are certain screenshots that they have provided. That is basically the configuration part in the admin. Okay, and what else? And over here we have the user guide. Okay, and what they are giving this 60-day money back lifetime update. Okay, and what else? Okay, so these are certain things, topics that they have covered. These are the feature list. Okay, and these are certain FAQs, which pages can I apply, the one of the customer they have asked for. So they have said that you can apply it for category, product detail page, CMS page as well. Okay, and this is the one review that they have received, and yeah, so this is it. Okay, so you can go ahead and install this extension, that is free of cost, and just test it whether it's working or not. Okay, so I'm just closing it. And the third one, that is it is also a lazy loading, and it is from Welt Pixel. This is another extension provider, so you can also go ahead and check their link as well. So they have a free version and they have a pro version. So in free version they are only giving the lazy loading part, and if we are going to pay for it, then that is the $99. That is for the pro version. They have 1 minute installation GUI, custom loading placeholder, custom lazy loading animation speed. So I believe I think if you go ahead with the free version, that will work for you, and if you require any more, like any other feature or any additional features, then you can go ahead and buy the pro version as well. Okay, so this is from the Welt Pixel. And the fourth one, if I talk about it, like this is the This is also from Maze Plaza, that is the SMTP for Magento 2. So what happens, let's say while configuring the mail server, it is very much actually it's a complex process. So what happens is that this extension, that is the SMTP extension, is very much user friendly. You just need to install it, and the admin configuration is super duper easy. Okay, so just you can follow the user guide as well, and you can let's say using your Gmail account and all, or any other account, or maybe it Outlook or Gmail, you can configure the mail server. Okay, and let's say it's saying that it helps to improve your email reputation, which is vital for every marketing campaign. Okay, and what it does is that it gives you a test email, so you can test it whether it is working or not. It also have a developer mode, 100% free, that is open source code, that if you want to do some kind of customization, or if you want to look what is there in this extension, can also work, and you have a look on that. So how does it work? They have also given a YouTube link over here, so you can go ahead and have a look. And this is a screenshot actually for the admin configuration, so you can go ahead and as you can see, these are the very few fields that you have to give. We have to give the SMTP provider and a host name, username, password. Okay, and they have also given a send test mail. So let's say if you have configured, you can test it whether the mails are getting triggered or not from your store. And they have also given a screenshot about the test email from the custom SMTP. So I believe you can this is one of the most important free extension, that is SMTP, for email configuration for your website. So you can have a look for it, and you can go ahead and install it in your website. I hope you like it. Okay, so this is the SMTP. Now the next one is the Magento 2 Ajax layered navigation. Okay, so I believe you know what is layered navigation. These are the whenever you're trying to load a page, let's say basically the product listing page, or maybe in a category listing page. So let's say in the both of the sites, either of the sites, maybe probably basically in the left hand side, you have various kinds of filters. So they will provide you like a pretty good amount of filter features, and this is actually using the Ajax technology. Okay, and see, they have also given a YouTube link over here as well, so it says how does it work and all. And see, they have given a video link, so you can see like there he is clicking, and automatically the page is getting refreshed using the Ajax call. Okay, yeah, so it is also pretty good for a website. Okay, and so yeah, they have given lots of let's say the video clippings over here, so you can go ahead and have a look. And this is the configuration part, I believe, from the admin side, so you can go ahead and configure it. And so what is the main thing is that they have given the user guide. So all the extension providers, they provide a user guide, so that you will be able to let's say configure it with ease without any difficulty. Okay, so this one is the layered navigation. And the sixth one that is I'll be talking about it is also from Maze Plaza, and let's see what they are giving. Actually, Maze Plaza, they are providing so many free extensions. I've just picked up from there, and I've also picked up from WildPixel as well, and IWD agency as well. So it is not like that I'm sponsoring or I'm trying to advertise Maze Plaza and all. It's not like that. So you can have a look, and you just try to search it on Google and all. So you'll be getting lots of extensions from various extension provider, and just have given certain or free extensions which I believe are very much required for your website. So I just picked it up from there. Okay, so this one is the social login. So I believe from the name only you can get the idea that you have Facebook login, you have Foursquare login, you have GitHub, Google, Instagram, LinkedIn, Microsoft, Twitter, and all. So these are actually the screenshots for it. So if you can go ahead and have a look, let's see, and just try to scroll it. Sorry, let me scroll down. Maybe they have some sort of screenshot. Let's see what they have over here. This is the one-step checkout page. It's loading. I believe they have not given the screenshot showing all the links and all. So basically you can go ahead, and this is also free. See, all these are all free extensions, so there is no problem in installing and giving a try. Okay, so you can go ahead. This is also there. Let's see in the demo what is there, like what they are giving. If I click on the front end, okay, so you have also have the demo link, so you can click on it and just see what is there. And if I click on sign in, okay, now see they have given the links, that is for the Facebook, Google, Twitter, Instagram, GitHub. So you can design it. Actually these are very raw extensions, so if you want to have any sort of design or any CSS kind of a thing, so you can go ahead and do that as well after installing the extension. So these are the links of the social login part. Okay, and so this is the part for social login from Maze Plaza. And the last one, this is also from Maze Plaza, and this is the Google reCAPTCHA. These are basically for the security purpose. As you all know that Google reCAPTCHA is very much essential, like for, let's say, not allowing the robots to, let's say, spamming your websites or like sending you random mails and all. So for that, for the security purpose, you can install it, like for the Google reCAPTCHA. And let's see what is there inside it. If we have the screenshots, it is loading. And you also have a Google the YouTube link is there as well. Okay, they have given, see, these are the screenshots, basically the normal Google reCAPTCHA, how it works. So someone is trying to log in, so he has to authenticate, or he have to prove himself that he's a human. Okay, so these are the features of the Google reCAPTCHA. I think this is very much important as well for your website, for the security purpose and all, and for the spamming purpose as well. So you can also go ahead and have a look and go ahead and install this extension. You are also getting the user guide for it as well. Okay, and yeah, so if you scroll down, there are lots of information that they have provided. This is adding the reCAPTCHA to any forms, and well, they have given a, let's say, a short note kind of a thing, how you can do that. And this is a backend as well. So for the admin login also, we can also have implement this Google reCAPTCHA. Okay, and these are the feature list for it, for the store admins and for the users. And these are certain FAQs. Okay, so these are the various customer reviews that they have given over here. So I think they have got some pretty nice reviews from here. Okay, I think, guys, I've covered all the free links over here. So these are not the only free links available for Magento 2. So there are lots of extensions that are available for free from various kinds of extension providers. So you can go ahead and install it and try it out, and whichever suits you can install it permanently in your website. So I think and guys, if you have any queries or any questions about it, you can definitely post it in the comment section. I'll definitely revert it back as soon as possible. So I think with that, I think I'm done for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.